Cows, dogs, cats, rabbits, elephants, and sheep live on the land. Some animals like frogs, crocodiles, and turtles live in or near water. Some birds, such as ducks and swans, live on the water, in ponds and lakes. Rabbits dig the ground and live in little burrows. Lions and tigers search for cool, dark caves. These caves are called dens. Dogs live in kennels. Some also live in their owners' homes. Horses live in stables. And cows live in cowsheds. Fish live in tanks, boats, or aquariums. Hens and chickens live in a coop. Coral is an animal that looks like a plant. It lives in the sea and doesn't move at all. Snails carry their homes wherever they go. And that's why they are so slow. That brings us to the end of our song on Bambi's animal friends all around.